The best voltage testers under $50 in 2026. From simple non-contact testers to versatile multimeter style options, these tools help you work safely and confidently. We evaluated build quality, detection speed, ease of use, and overall reliability to bring you the top choices. Watch till the end for smart recommendations and practical advice. Links in the description. Number 5. The Neoteck Non-Contact AC Voltage Tester. PEN is a dependable safety tool designed to simplify voltage detection for both beginners and experienced users. With a sensing range of 12 to 1000 volts AC, it provides reliable performance for common residential and light commercial electrical tasks. The non-contact operation allows users to detect live voltage without direct exposure to wires, offering an added level of protection during inspections and troubleshooting. This tester uses a combination of audible buzzer alerts and visual LED indicators to clearly signal the presence of voltage. Different alarm intensities help distinguish live and null wires, making it easier to understand circuit conditions even for less experienced users. The response time is fast, as the LED activates immediately once voltage is detected, which improves efficiency when checking multiple points in a short period. A useful bonus feature is the integrated LED flashlight. This light helps illuminate dim workspaces, such as breaker panels, wall cavities, or poorly lit rooms. It adds convenience during emergency checks and reduces the need to carry an extra flashlight. The lightweight body, weighing only 65 grams, makes the pen easy to handle and comfortable to carry throughout the day. Powered by batteries, the tester remains portable and ready for use whenever needed. Safety certifications including CE Cat V3, 600 volts, and RoHS further reinforce confidence in its build quality and compliance with standards. User feedback often praises its compact design, accuracy, and ease of operation. Overall, the Neoteck Non-Contact AC Voltage Tester Pen delivers solid performance, dependable safety, and practical features, making it an excellent choice for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone needing a simple yet effective voltage detection tool. Number 4. The Klein Tools NCVT 3P Dual Range Non-Contact. Voltage Tester is a reliable and thoughtfully designed tool that delivers accurate voltage detection for a wide variety of electrical tasks. Featuring dual range sensitivity from 12 to 1000 volts AC and an optional 70 to 1000 volts range, it allows users to choose the appropriate setting for precise and efficient testing. This flexibility makes it suitable for residential wiring, low voltage systems, and specialized applications such as security and communication circuits. The tester provides clear and easy to understand visual and audible alerts. A steady green light indicates that the unit is powered and ready for use, while a flashing red LED and audible beeping signal confirm the presence of voltage. This straightforward feedback system helps users work with greater confidence and safety. The integrated flashlight is bright and practical, offering excellent visibility in dimly lit areas and functioning independently when voltage detection is not required. Designed with portability in mind, the NCVT 3P weighs just 1.6 ounces and features a compact pen-style body. The built-in pocket clip allows for convenient storage and quick access during work. Its battery-powered design includes an automatic power-off feature, which helps extend battery life and reduces the need for frequent replacements. Built to meet demanding safety standards, the tester carries a Cat 4 1000 volts rating, providing reliable protection during electrical testing. User feedback often praises its durable construction, dependable performance, and intuitive operation. Overall, the Klein Tools NCVT 3P Dual Range Non-Contact Voltage Tester offers a strong balance of accuracy, safety, and convenience, making it an excellent choice for professionals and dedicated DIY users alike. Number 3. The VENLAB Non-Contact Voltage Tester is a practical and well-designed electrical tool that focuses on safety, clarity, and ease of use. It features dual sensitivity modes that allow users to select high mode for detecting voltage from 12 to 1000 volts, or low mode for detecting voltage from 48 to 1000 volts. This adjustable range makes it suitable for a variety of applications, from checking low voltage circuits to inspecting standard household wiring. Its non-contact detection method provides a safe way to identify live electrical current in wires, outlets, switches, and lighting fixtures without direct exposure. This greatly reduces the risk of accidental electric shock and makes the tester suitable for both beginners and experienced users. The visual and audible alert system is clear and responsive. When high voltage is detected, the tip glows red and the beeper sounds at a higher frequency. Lower voltage is indicated by a yellow light and a slower beeping sound, allowing quick and confident interpretation. The tester includes a built-in flashlight that is useful when working in dim environments or during power outages. A red pointing light adds extra convenience for marking or identifying specific components at job sites. The LCD display improves readability and helps users better understand detection results at a glance. Weighing only 0.05 kilograms, the VENLAB voltage tester is lightweight and easy to carry throughout the day. Battery-powered operation ensures portability and convenience. Backed by a 3-year warranty and lifetime technical support, this voltage tester offers strong value, reliable performance, and peace of mind. User feedback highlights its dependable operation and attractive pricing, making it a solid choice for homeowners, DIY users, and professionals alike. Number 2. The AstroAI VTS1000H voltage tester is a versatile and practical tool designed for safe and efficient electrical testing. Its integrated design combines a non-contact voltage tester with a durable steel screwdriver, allowing users to perform voltage checks and basic electrical tasks using a single compact tool. This combination is especially useful for home maintenance, troubleshooting, and professional electrical work where convenience and efficiency matter. Equipped with dual sensitivity ranges, the tester can detect AC voltage from 12 to 1000 volts in high sensitivity mode and from 70 to 1000 volts in low sensitivity mode. This flexibility helps users achieve more accurate results by selecting the appropriate range for the task. The non-contact detection method uses an inductive probe to sense voltage without physical contact, reducing the risk of electric shock. Visual indicators and audible alarms activate instantly when live voltage is present. The LCD display adds clarity by showing percentage values and an analog style bar that increases as the tester moves closer to the voltage source. The red backlight, illuminated tip, and escalating alarm volume provide clear and intuitive feedback. A built-in flashlight and backlit screen make the tool easy to use in dark environments, while the automatic power-off feature helps conserve energy when the tester is idle. Weighing only 85 grams, the AstroAI VTS1000H is lightweight and easy to carry. The pen hook allows secure attachment to a pocket or tool bag for quick access. With strong safety ratings and a sturdy build, this voltage tester offers excellent value. User feedback praises its effectiveness and durability, making it a reliable choice for both DIY users and professionals. Number 1. The Klein Tools NCVT-1P voltage tester is a compact and dependable non-contact tool designed for accurate AC voltage detection. With a detection range of 50 to 1000 volts AC, it is suitable for testing a variety of electrical components, including cords, cables, circuit breakers, lighting fixtures, switches, and non-tamper-resistant outlets. The non-contact design allows users to safely detect live voltage without touching bare wires, reducing the risk of electric shock and making it ideal for both professionals and home users. The tester provides clear and immediate feedback through both visual and audible alerts. A bright green LED indicates that the device is powered and functioning properly, while a flashing red LED and a beeping alarm signal the presence of voltage. These indicators make it easy to identify live circuits quickly, even in low light or crowded work environments. The automatic power-off function helps conserve battery life, ensuring the tester is always ready for use. Weighing only 0.05 pounds, the NCVT-1P is extremely lightweight and portable. Its durable design includes a convenient pocket clip and can withstand drops of up to 6.6 feet, making it suitable for daily use in demanding work environments. The device also meets Cat 4 1000V safety standards, providing reliable protection during electrical testing. Users consistently praise its accuracy, long-lasting battery, and straightforward operation. Overall, the Klein Tools NCVT 1P voltage tester delivers a combination of safety, reliability, and ease of use. It is an excellent investment for homeowners, hobbyists, and professionals seeking a high-quality, portable, and user-friendly non-contact voltage detection tool. That wraps up our list of the best voltage testers under $50 in 2026. Each of these tools offers safety, accuracy, and great value for your home or professional projects. Check the links in the description to learn more and make your purchase. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews and top product recommendations to make your work easier and safer.